Stacy Martino of relationshipdevelopment.org, where we help people to transform their relationships, create their unshakable love and unleashed passion, all in a way that it only takes one partner to transform a relationship, any relationship. And one of the tools that we teach our students when we're teaching them about the differences between the masculine and the feminine and how to understand and appreciate those differences to take your relationship to the next level is understanding how men and women focus differently. Men have something called single focus. They go really, really deep into whatever they're focused on, and it's almost like everything else is blocked out. They go deep into the well, and they can only focus on one thing deeply at a time. Women, however, the female brain is wired for diffused awareness. We pick up on everything in a certain radius around us. We have self-talk about the email that needs to be responded to, and that pillow is out of place, and as I'm walking through the room, I see the things that are not right, or what else I have to do, and what I have to pick up, and where are the kids, and what are things going on. I'm aware of everything in my radius, and that's called diffused awareness. Now, when it comes to having unleashed passion and extraordinary orgasms, one of the things that as women we need to navigate to be able to have these incredible orgasms is our focus, or our lack of focus. See, men are wired beautifully for outstanding orgasms. They have single focus, which is very handy for having an incredible orgasm. But as women, we have this self-talk going on. And when you have self-chatter, you are really limited in the depth of orgasmic release that you can experience, which is so important for every woman to have that release and let it all go so we can be refreshed. So one of the things we need to do is to educate ourselves and get trained in how to come in to be more single focused and more in our bodies and quiet the self-talk. And one of the tools that we always teach our students to use in doing this to help yourself is the Music for Better Sex program by my good friend, Ellen Eatough. The Music for Better Sex program is a slam dunk tool. It's one of the easiest things you can do to quiet the self-talk, literally stop the self-chatter, and get really, really deep into your body to experience extraordinary sexual release. So I hope that you explore the Music for Better Sex program. I have been using Music for Better Sex myself personally for years and years and years and years, and I cannot speak highly enough about it. It's such a slam dunk to start using it and experience the benefits of it right now. And so I hope that you'll do that. Give yourself the gift of getting the Music for Better Sex program, checking it out, and using it for yourself. I'm wishing you amazing orgasms in the future. And until I see you again, sending love to you. Bye-bye.